guys. Hey guys, welcome to Vtech Reviews. Today I got the Vtech dump truck with me. And this Vtech dump truck has flashing lights.
I'm a powerful dump truck. I rumble down the road, moving my load from here to there.
Has a string so kids can pull it. And it also has, look at this.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
It also
Good
says
job.
that. And the wheels are just fine. It's a great toy. And also, it tells
Hammer.
and also a great feature about this, it does. So that's all for me. This toy is made by Vtech, and you can find it at Walmart and maybe Kmart if you're in the United States, and Toys R Us for sure. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.